Hi and welcome to Champion Trading again. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is a Waukesha number 30 positive displacement pump, one of the most popular sanitary pumps around. Waukesha's been around for a long time. This is a completely rebuilt unit. We're running it on a circulation test to test it right now after completion. We're running it at the pump's full capacity right now, which is about 30 gallons per minute. Tank is pulling, the pump is feeding from the bottom of the tank and returning to the top, as you see here. The unit features all new product side seals, as well as internal mechanical bearings and oil side seals. As you see, the pump's been polished and completely refinished. We've equipped this one with a 3 horsepower Brook Crompton drive, and it has a gear reducer which gives a maximum co-shaft RPM of 600, which is the maximum speed of the Waukesha pump. We put on here a WEG washdown duty speed controller. We're operating at 208 3-phase voltage, and as you can see, you can control your speed very easily. You control how fast or slow it goes down. This particular controller will go beyond 60 hertz, and of course at that point the pump will begin to cavitate. So we've done to about 60% of its capacity. And you'll see a considerable reduction in flow. So you have complete control over the flow. We offer lots of pumps like this from our stock, reconditioned, rebuilt, and redesigned into fit what you do a little better. So we hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we certainly look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.